today, pupunta tayo ng Kapitolyo, Pasig, Co-Create para umattend ng seminar workshop ng GoPro Philippines. So kasi nakita natin sa Instagram yung My GoPro Journey PH na parang pa-contest nila. So mga video montage using your GoPro. So nag-submit tayo, naka-receive tayo ng invitation, magkaroon ng chance sa awarding. Ayun, tara, samahan nyo ako mga paps. Just kararating lang natin. Hanapin na natin yung ano. Pero nakita ko na dito kanina eh. So ito, altitude. Okay, so diretso na tayo guys. Sir, saan po ang Co-Create Studio?
Dito po.
Dito po.
Sa taas po.
Alright, so dito na tayo sa elevator. Dito tayo pupunta. Co-Create. GoPro, sorry na late, pero well, dito na tayo. So, excited lang. Unang gala ko after so mag-resign. Jesus.
It's awesome question. Looking at ideas, trends, all the way to observation. I think those are all very comes up with this all of it. What are you capable of doing? And that's why I put a very big stories. All you have on the stories in the 2 years. And last but not least, if you start thinking about why you're doing it, think about the context, what you want to go there.